If your Apple Watch faces suddenly disappeared or deleted, this fix usually restores them. First is open the watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, then select Face Gallery. Apple explains that all watch faces are restored and synced through the watch app, not directly on the watch alone. If a face is still missing, it may have been removed or during an update or sync issues. Scroll through My Faces. If the missing face isn't listed, search for it again in the face gallery. Tap Add to reinstall the watch face. Apple notes that faces must be re-added if they're removed after updates or device resets. If faces are still missing, go to iPhone settings, then General, and click iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage space. Low storage can prevent watch faces from syncing properly. Restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch to refresh the sync connection. After re-adding the faces and restarting, your Apple Watch faces should reappear normally. This fixes most missing or deleted watch face issues.